Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a little canvas that I used to love in my first year, and I don't love it so much anymore. It's okay, but I have some beautiful colors and I am dying to use them. So I am going to start, what am I going to start with? I'm going to start with some white paint, and I think that that should be the medium paint. Somebody who shouldn't be calling me is probably calling me because no one has this phone number. And I'm just going to keep going. Let's use some of that. I have some cell activator. Yeah, 900 number. Cell activator with Decor Americana 24 karat gold in it. That works well underneath, which is unusual. But it's not going to stop me from using it. I have gorgeous colors. Cerulean blue, midnight shadow, and dark water. That's looking like it's definitely leaning toward that direction. Oh, it's because I've got a wrinkle in my paper that's catching. What is that? That does not belong. That was dark water. I said that was dark water. I'm going to use the hot orchid. And then I'm going to use both the white and the black cell activator, Amsterdam white, Amsterdam black. Either should have spread out my house paint, or I should be prepared to do what I did again. I'm going to use some of the frozen this time. See if I can rescue my mistake. A little bit of cerulean blue. Let's have some pink diamond. Some blue bonnet. Gold cell activator, maybe. Maybe not. Helps if I open the bottle. And some orange cell activator. I think I'm going to just keep adding paint until I'm covered. Some hot orchid. And some black. Perfect. Let's go on for what? I think the blue bonnet was a good choice. And I'm liking this combination of Neptune's Gaze and Frozen. And I remember I don't need base paint to do this. And I'm going to top it up with some cerulean blue too. And then I'm going to do white, purple, that's dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby, and some black. And I'm getting to like this more and more by the moment. I'm just going to use the colors that are dripping down, fill in a little bit. I'm thinking, what am I thinking over here? I'm thinking poinsettia. And my combination of Big Apple and Orange Crush works even better when it's open. And a little Mayan gold. I'm getting some beautiful cells. Kind of started backwards, but okay, never mind. It'll be alright. That's a little claret, which is always a little dangerous for me. I'm going to go back to my cell activator that's gold that I keep closing. It's probably not a bad thing. Do the purple. This time I'm going to top it up with a little white. I still want the black. Okay, I'm doing it. And I really want some black right in here. I kind of want some black in there too. And I have some magenta. Gotta get rid of some of that paint. It's looking more like a mess than I'd like right now. So I'm just going to keep going. That was the hot orchid. This is the pink diamond. This is the African violet. It was when it was open. It is open. I'm inclined to put some green in here. Start with that white. Go with that black. Well, I might be doing it again, or I might just absolutely adore that. So that was the hot orchid. Whoops. And the pink diamond, and it's going to take everything over. So I'm going to try and go really easy. Not that it's not a little late for that now. So that leaves me with my self-suggestion of cleaning off the top so it'll open. Yes. Green. And I like this wintergreen with my Fandango and with my Sassy Sprite. And also a little cerulean blue, never hurt anything. I think I might want some of that over there also. I'm just going to use the gold again. And a wing and a prayer. I see that thing that does not belong in there. It's a good thing I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, I can tell you now. So this is where I wanted to put some more green. But gold might be okay too. I think this is just going to be very colorful for sure. Or the Fandango. I didn't get many cells over there. So I'm going to put some purple in both of these places. I guess we'll see how it dries together. Let's put a little dot of something orange. Or pink? No, we'll put something orange right there. That's actually going to be pretty. Backwards though it was. Flowers are not always neat and organized. So, that is what it is, and I'm done for the day. It's time for my honey to take me out to dinner. Right after I poke my finger in some of these these beautiful drips down here. Cover my side to a degree. Give you a close-up and hope it dries somewhere close to what it looks like now. Maybe put a yad spiral in. Oh yeah, no, yad spiral is a good idea. I am getting cells in areas I didn't have them. Yeah, a few spirals never hurt anything in my opinion. Let's hope I can maintain that opinion. All right, that had everything in the kitchen sink in it. I'm going to zoom in and hope you can see that. The colors saved the day, honestly, I tell you now. I tell you the truth. Those Prizm core colors are the bomb. So let me get some bottles out of the way and maybe I can get a little closer to that. I'm hoping so. And this time I'll try and remember to focus. Oh, there we go. The background's a little bit of a camouflage deal. Let's just shimmer that at you if it'll shimmer. You can see the colors are pretty. Oh wow, I wish you could see what I could see. Oh boy, that is totally gorgeous. I am trying. That's so cool. I can't believe that came out as well as it did, honestly. Oh wow. I was totally struggling for a while there in the beginning. But that's what happens when you go about it backwards. But Colour Arte saves the day. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that there's 2,400 videos, and if you ask me or check on my channel, you'll find playlists, all playlists, created playlists. You'll find 2,400 videos organized by topic and genre, and by the 100. And if you can't ask me, because I've got them that way, saved up, link by link, no problem. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting and bringing new tutorials to you at YouTube. Underneath the video you'll find spring clothing, and if you can't find what you're looking for there, you can always ask me to add something, because anything on YouTube I have photographs of. Please give me thumbs up when you like and share my videos. You help me out when you watch longer and watch the commercials. It's a big assistance. If you're looking to purchase an artwork, my email address is below the link tree. The link tree is underneath Show More. When you open Show More, you will find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. If you have questions, please ask on the community board. On my link tree, you will find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, and anything else I happen to post there. If you need a link to anything, feel free to ask me. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I think I mentioned I do sell my artwork. I also give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And right now, I am done for the day. I love you guys. I hope you take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Now I post at noon and midnight, at least for now. I don't know if the monthly drawings are going on anymore. I'm going to run a poll and see if you guys want me to keep doing them. There's never more than 15 people in there, and the last drawing will be probably, if it's the last drawing, it will be March 1st. I thank you for everything. I love you much, and you inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.